Good morning, friends. Welcome to my class 8. Dear students, today it is our topic intense present continuous. As earlier, I taught you present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite. Right now, our new topic is present continuous. Thereafter I shall teach you past continuous. Thereafter I shall teach you future continuous. So now we start with the present continuous. First of all, I want to explain you what is the definition of present continuous tense. It is not so difficult as we understand about the definition of present continuous tense. It is so difficult. No, but if you want to know my opinion, so as per your teacher opinion, it is not so typical. Okay, so I have written here the definition of present continuous. As you can see in front of you, the written material. First of all, as above, I have written the definition of present continuous. Below, I have written 3 examples of present continuous. Now I shall explain you why I have written 3 examples. So here I, here you and here she. Okay. So first of all I explain you what is the definition of present continuous. What does present continuous say in its definition? Okay. So here I have written when an action is to be continued in present time, it is said to be present continuous tense. Okay, it means when an action is to be continued, it is to be continued in present time. It does not stop in present time, it is to be continued. तो it is said to be present continuous. हिंदी में आपके समझने के लिए कि हो सकता है कुछ बच्चे न समझ पाए, सो हिंदी में कहते हैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस का मतलब इट मीन्स कॉन्टिन्यूटी इन द वर्क. इट शोज कॉन्टिन्यूटी इन द वर्क इन प्रेजेंट टाइम. इट इज सेड टू बी प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. मतलब कि वर्तमान समय में काम चालू है, लगातार चल रहा है, उसी को हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, आई एम ईटिंग एन एप्पल. हियर व्हाट यू कैन सी. सो व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस एग्जाम्पल आई एम ईटिंग एन एप्पल? इट मीन्स टू ईट एन एप्पल, द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ ईटिंग means eating means the continuity of eat. So it is continued, it does not stop, it is still continued. Okay, in action. तो अभी भी सेव का खाना जाना जारी है, सेव खाया जा रहा है आई के द्वारा. तो here I with I what we will use, what we shall use am. With I subject, what we use, what helping verb, am helping verb. We are used with subject I. In second example, that is the first example. In second example, I have written you are watching TV. So what is the continuity? To watch the TV, it is the continuity. Okay, what the continuity? To watch the TV, it is the continuity. Okay, so now you are watching TV. It means you subject in continuity of watching the TV. It does not stop to watch the TV. To watch the TV, it is still continued. So it means you, it is a subject. You, it is a plural. With plural, what we use as a helping verb, we use are. We use as a helping verb are with plural subject. Okay, so what is the continuity? Watching. मतलब यहाँ क्या देखने का काम जारी है? टीवी देखना जारी है, रुका नहीं है, जारी है. तो ये कंटिन्यूटी हो गई. और यहाँ हम you subject, it is a plural. तो how many subjects are plural? Look, you, like you, they, we. Okay, so these are the subjects which are plural. So with plural subject we use as a are. We use helping verb as are. ठीक है, तो are it is used with plural subject and you is plural subject. Now in third example you can see that she is running away. So what is the continuity in this sentence? To run away, to run away. It is the continuity. Run, run. It is in continuity. It is in action, in continue action. ओके तो वहां पे वो दौड़ के दूर जा रही है, तो उसके दौड़ने का काम जारी है, रुका नहीं है. शी डज नॉट स्टॉप, शी इज रनिंग अवे. तो शी इज कंटिन्यू टू रन. ठीक है, तो वो भी दौड़ना उसने जारी रखा है, वो दौड़ रही है, तो इट इज इन कंटिन्यूटी. तो ये कह सकते हैं. तो शी एंड इट इज यूज्ड इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, इट इज यूज्ड विद शी. तो व्हाट डज इट मीन? तो इट मीन्स she is a singular subject. तो with singular subject we use helping verb, singular helping verb. तो is we use as a singular helping verb with singular subject. ओके तो is यहाँ पे singular helping verb है, तो उसको हम singular subject के साथ प्रयोग करेंगे. बट are it is as a plural helping verb. तो are we use with plural subject. तो यहाँ प्लूरल क्या है? यू है. और यहाँ सिंगुलर क्या है? यहाँ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट यू है. तो यहाँ पे हम प्लूरल हेल्पिंग वर्ब का भी प्रयोग करेंगे, जैसे कि आर का. और यहाँ आई के साथ सदैव एम का प्रयोग होता है. तो ये आपको समझ में आया होगा. इसके बाद हम लोग आइडेंटिफिकेशन पे चले. नाउ वी गो अहेड एंड नाउ वी शैल सी कि व्हाट इज द आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. तो फ्रेंड्स, it is so simple, not so difficult. Now come to the point of identification. So what is the identification of present continuous tense? It is very simple. It shows continuity of action. तो रहा है, when you find रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं at the end of the sentence. When you find रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. One more time I want to repeat you. If you do not understand, so one more time for you only I want to repeat you. If you find रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं at the end of the sentence, so it is the identification of present continuous tense. Okay, so it is the identification. Okay, so I hope you will not face any problem, okay, to understand the identification. Now we see okay, what is the rule of assertive sentence. I have written here this short form of assertive sentence, A dot S dot. Friends, now when you see here, don't get confused okay, what is the A dot S dot. So I want to tell you, A stands for assertive, S stands for sentence. So it means when you say completely, so it is assertive sentence. Here I have written short form of assertive sentence. Okay. Now I write here the rule of the assertive sentence in present continuous tense. So first of all we add subject. It is a common thing. Now it is a main thing to understand कि what helping verb we use in present continuous tense. So helping verb is am, are we use in present continuous tense, and with helping verb what will be the change in main verb? According to the helping verb, what will be the change in main verb? So friend, my dear students, the change you can see here with helping verb is MR is ing form. It means we add ing form in first form of the main verb. मेन वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म में ing and then object. तो what do you see? You see here first of all subject, it is a common thing. Then that is the main thing to understand helping verb. In present continuous tense, we add helping verb as ijmr. And with ijmr, what will be the change we can see in the main verb? So friends, with helping verb ijmr, you will see the change we use ing form in the first form of main verb. Okay, ing form it will be added in main verb with helping verb is in present continuous tense. Okay, तो यहां देखिए is के साथ मेन वर्ब में ing लगता है प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इज इट इज a singular subject we use with singular, sorry, is a singular helping verb. It is my mistake. तो is it is not subject, it is a helping verb, and is helping verb it is a singular helping verb, and singular helping verb is used with singular subject. So what will be the singular subject? So singular subject it will be like he, she, it, any naming word, it will be the singular subject, and with this singular subject we use singular helping verb as is. तो is जो है singular helping verb होता है, इसको singular subject के साथ प्रयोग करेंगे. am it is always used with subject I. Without I there is no use of am. ठीक है, तो am we use with subject I. Now are, finally are it is a plural helping verb. तो are it is a plural helping verb. तो plural helping verb it is used with plural subject. तो plural subject is you, they, we. These are the plural subject. With this plural subject we use plural helping verb as are. तो are जो है ये plural helping verb है, बहुवचन, तो इसका बहुवचन कर्ता के साथ ही प्रयोग होगा. तो बहुवचन में यू, दे और वी आएगा, उसके साथ आर का प्रयोग होगा. इसके बाद इतना करने के बाद इन हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ हम मेन वर्ब में आईएनजी जोड़ देंगे और ऑब्जेक्ट लगा देंगे. एग्जाम्पल ले लें. तो यहाँ आई हो गया, आई के साथ एम. अब देखिए आई के साथ मैंने एम लगाया है. खाना, खाना का ईट में आईएनजी लगा देंगे, ईटिंग, और ये खाना ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा द फूड. तो ये आपका बन गया. ठीक है, इस तरह से प्रयोग करेंगे. ठीक है, अब हम नाउ वी सी द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस? वी फॉलो and for negative as for sentence. So negative sentence, in negative sentence subject is a common thing, then helping verb I already told you in assertive sentence. Then because it is a negative sentence we add after the helping verb not to show negative sentence. Okay, not. Thereafter after the not we write ing form of the main verb. ing form in the first form of main verb. And then finally at the end object will be there. Okay, so now we understand this sentence with the help of this example. तो नाउ लड़की, शी इज द गर्ल. ओके, रही है, रहा है. इट इन द प्लेस ऑफ रही, रहा विल बी देयर. तो इट मीन्स वह. इन द प्लेस ऑफ वह वी राइट ही. बट हियर यू कैन सी देयर इज नो रहा, देयर इज रही. रही इट मीन्स शी इज अ गर्ल. तो फॉर गर्ल वी यूज प्रोनाउन एज शी. यहां रहा होता तो लड़का प्रोनाउन ही लगता है, यहां रही है तो प्रोनाउन शी लगेगा. शी with she is singular subject. I already told you with singular subject we use singular helping verb. So it is a singular subject, we are using singular helping verb is. And now jana, go. So what we add ing form in verb. तो going, कहां जा रही है? where she is going. तो घर, तो home. The English version of घर is home. She is not, sorry my mistake, she is not going home. That is a negative sentence. तो वह घर नहीं जा रही है. तो she, with she we add see इज सॉरी she, with she we add is helping verb. Now we add not thereafter we add ing form in the first form of the main verb and then home. Okay, so that is a sentence. She is not going home. It means वह घर नहीं जा रही है. Okay, now we go ahead. Now we shall see the interrogative sentence. Okay, so interrogative sentence, there are two kind of interrogative sentence. Now I dot s dot, I stand for interrogative, s stand for sentence. So first type of interrogative is helping verb type interrogative. In helping verb type interrogative, what do we do? First of all we write subject is first of all we write the helping verb is, am, are. Okay, then we add subject thereafter, then we add ing form in main verb. And finally we add object and then we put punctuation interrogative. Okay, तो यहां हम क्या करेंगे, इंट्रोगेटिव जो है दो तरह के होते हैं, एक आपका होता है हेल्पिंग टाइप, एक आपका होता है WS टाइप. तो यहां हम हेल्पिंग टाइप देख रहे हैं. Now we understand this sentence with the help of this example. क्या ओके क्या वह घर में सो रहा है? तो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट, हाउ टू मेक द सेंटेंस. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या वह, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शैल चेक के द सब्जेक्ट इट इज ए प्लूरल और सिंगुलर. तो वह सो रहा है. You find Raha at the end of the sentence. Raha, it means he is a masculine gender. It means he is a female, he is a male. So for male, what we use to keep in our mind. So what we use, if you have any doubt, so you just write here what it means he. So he, before he, you have to add the helping verb according to the subject. So it is a singular subject, so we add is, singular helping verb. If there is a plural subject, so we add plural helping verb. If there is a am, so we add I. Okay, if there is I, so we add am. Okay, so here there is a singular subject, so we add singular, there is a singular subject, so we add singular helping verb. So is he now sona, sleep. So we add ing form in main verb. So what is the main verb? Sona. So we add ing form in sona. Sleep. In sleep. So sleep. So what we say? Sleeping. If we add ing form in sleep, so it will be sleeping. Sleeping. कहाँ सो रहा है? Where is sleeping? तो घर में ही, in the house. ये आपका हो गया. तो that is your helping verb type interrogative. Now in finally we shall have the WS type interrogative. So what is the WS type interrogative? It is very simple. Okay, so WH type interrogative. So just look at here, WS type interrogative. So first of all we add WH like when, where, how many, which, whose, whom. Then we add helping verb. What will be the helping verb? Is, am, are, then subject. Thereafter we add ing form in the main verb. So and then object finally we add. So it is a rule of WS type interrogative. Now we have an example. वह गांव में क्या कर रहा है? हाउ टू कन्वर्ट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव नॉलेज, वी हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ द रूल कि व्हाट रूल डू वी यूज इन WS type interrogative present continuous. तो इफ यू हैव एन आइडिया ऑफ द रूल, तो हाउ टू पुट द रूल. तो क्या WH what, आफ्टर द what वह. तो इट इज ए सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब it will be she. After she, वह, it is a male, तो he, and if there is a female, तो it will be she, but there is a male, तो it will be he. He thereafter करना, do में ing form, we add ing form in do, so it will be doing. Okay, doing what he is doing in the village. Okay, तो गांव में, in it is a preposition, तो may, the English conversion of may is in, and the village. तो दैट इज योर WH टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव. तो ये आपकी समझ में आ गया होगा. ठीक है, योर प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस इज ओवर, बट वन थिंग रिमेंबर, समथिंग इज मिसिंग इन योर प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. आई नीड टू एक्सप्लेन यू. इट विल बी फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स. लुक एट योर फ्रेंड. इफ यू फाइंड 5 थिंग्स लाइक लुक, सी, feel, speak, feel, look, see, feel, smell, and one more thing is there, I do not remember. If you find these things in present continuous, suppose, तो whether your identification is रहा है, रही या रहे हैं. Like with the help of this example, I want to explain you कि मैं फूल सूंघ रहा. ओके, रहा, रही, रहे. It is a sign of present continuous, but the rule we use, it will be different. मैं फूल सूंघ रहा हूं, the sentence will be the same, it will remain same, रहा, रही, रहे, but the rule we use in present indefinite tense. The sentence will be remain same, मैं फूल सूंघ रहा हूं, but now I make the sentence. So you just see here, I with I, सूंघना, it means smell. What I smell? Flower. The flower. So here, now you no need to confuse. Do not get confused here. Look, now you confused. Why are you confused? Okay, sir, you have not used I am with I, and you have not added ing form in main verb. So friends, the sentence will remain same. Raha, rahi, rahe you find, but the rule you use, it will be the in present indefinite tense.